Young bots. Can't live with them. Can't live without them. I may have won servo into scrap heap, but I can still hear! Knock it off, kid. We're going home. Now! I've got a funny feeling. Old war wounds acting up. No, Prime, I am still not ready to talk about it. Key? Ha! We don't need a stinking key. Omega! Can't you recognize an old friend? The Decepticons were defeated, not destroyed. And we're not waiting long enough to find out. Oh, for spark's sakes, not again! I'll never tell you Optimus's location. I can't go back there. I can't! Step away from the Autobot! We are supposed to celebrate the kid's birthday, not make it her last one! Art. When has that ever been useful in war? I still don't see how this Santa Claus can deliver all of these presents in one night! Come on, transform already! This human is terribly misinformed. Sometimes we do what we must, even if it doesn't make sense. Don't be reckless. Easy there, kid. I'm still gonna have to patch you up later. Not so fast, flyboy! Your damage levels are increasing. Be careful! You're taking damage. I can't patch you up if you're nothing but scrap metal and wires after all of this is over. Watch your damage levels, Autobot! You can call us Autobots for short. You can call us Autobots for short.